The number of dialysis patients in the Philippines has been rising steadily since the year 2000. The increasing demand had taken its toll on the country's dialysis machines. They were made to work double time, causing faster deterioration. Because of limited resources, the national government sought a public-private partnership with a trusted provider of renal care services from the private sector to expand the quality of their dialysis services. The UNECE International PPP Center of Excellence develops the standards for people-first PPPs. They provide project models, templates and legal practices that can be adopted by governments to alleviate poverty, boost the economy and protect the environment. The PPP is in line with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
BBraun's vision is to protect and improve the health of people around the world. And this, of course, is particularly true for people in developing countries, where we all see that there's really a great need for innovative collaboration.
Of the various partnerships, public-private partnerships, particularly People First PPP, are given the priority, which sets a clear statement that of all stakeholders, people will be the priority.
In these PPP projects at NKTI and Manila Dialysis Center, BBraun is primarily responsible in providing all the key equipment as well as all the necessary dialysis supplies for the treatment.
This joint venture is an example of a people-first PPP. Its focus is on improving the quality of life of the communities and ensuring that the indigent people have adequate access to dialysis services. The private partner provides the necessary hemodialysis equipment, while the government provides supervision and training for their staff on the use and operation of the facilities provided. They also ensure quality delivery of services by taking over operations. As the Centre for Referral of Kidney Patients from various areas nationwide, the National Kidney and Transplant Institute has acquired additional facilities to cater to the growing number of patients. Unique aspect of this PPP is its sustainability. The national government, through PhilHealth, subsidises 90 out of the 156 treatments for each patient, while local government pays the rest under a socialised rate.
We receive a subsidy from the government that goes directly into patient care, and because of the earnings of the hemodialysis center, then we can pour back that income to treat even double the number of patients. You can have a world-class facility at very little cost.
It increases efficiency of government investment. Thus, renal services have vastly improved without added cost to the patients.
In an effort to bring the services closer to the people, the PPP has also forged partnerships at the local level. Former President and Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada sought the help of a private partner to realize his vision of building a facility which gives premium dialysis services with no out-of-pocket expense to the patients.
I was informed that many of my poor constituents were in urgent need of dialysis treatment, so it became my priority to set up a dialysis center to provide free treatment for the poor.
25% of the share of the city in the proceeds or the revenue under the 75-25 arrangement is flowed back or added to the budget for dialysis treatment. That is why it is sustainable.
We sponsor, both the national government and the local government sponsor indigent patients enrollment to our National Health Insurance Program or PhilHealth. It's part of what is being paid for by the city. That's why it would not only be for the private patients who could afford it.
For BBraun, giving service to the Filipino people entails not just providing dialysis treatments, but also to ensure the holistic well-being of patients. To address cases of malnutrition among chronic kidney disease patients undergoing dialysis treatments, BBraun launched the Intradialytic Parenteral Nutrition Program.
IDPN is a unique and novel way of providing nutritional support to dialysis patients by integrating the therapy with the dialysis treatment procedure.
We have positive results. The patients have an improved well-being, they have better appetite, so their lives are really improved by providing this nutrition.
Maganda ang serbisyo, ma'am, kasi lahat ng inihiling namin, ma'am, minsan binibigay nila.
Actually, malaki yung naitulong na yung project ng government ng City of Manila.
Kasi dito wala naman akong pinipilahan, wala akong binabayaran, walang hirap dito.
A successful local government encourages the private sector to help. And there is no better way for the private sector to help than by joining the government sector for all kinds of projects. So that shows you how we encourage private sector participation in providing the best services to Manileños.
The Philippine government is now in the process of building bigger buildings and plans to renovate floors for better reception of patients. This improvement will provide services to 3 times the number of current patients in both the national and local levels.
These PPP projects also enable us to put forward BBraun's corporate value and philosophy of sharing expertise to the stakeholders. In this case, our partners NKTI and the Manila Dialysis Center, and more importantly, our dialysis patients.
By participating in this PPP, SDG 1 was achieved by providing substantial health coverage for the poor and vulnerable. Relevance to SDG 3 was achieved by increasing the local and national dialysis treatment capacity.
Overall, the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, particularly SDG 17, calls for the implementation of global partnerships in order to achieve sustainable development. And this is where PPPs will be and are at work.
We are very open in engaging with governments to find new solutions, new business models, how to provide healthcare to everyone.
Maraming po salamat sa local government Manila sa libre pong dialysis.
Sana continuous nila yung pagsuporta sa mga tao, like sa amin, like us.
Sa local government unit ng Manila, maraming salamat.
The PPP, initiated by NKTI, the City of Manila and BBraun, serves as models for other countries in achieving both business and public service goals.